Welcome back, YouTube users, car enthusiasts, and Volkswagen nerds. I wasn't going to do another tutorial, but my other one went over pretty well, so today we're going to do a tutorial on how to change the headlights in your Volkswagen Beetle. And they're a little bit tricky, but they're simple if you know the trick. And these are some cheap eBay headlights that were on it when I bought it, and they're falling apart. And I can't see at night. This one's supposed to be locked in and it's not. I've had to repair it a little bit, but it's just junk. So we're going to be replacing them today. First off, you need to pop the hood or the bonnet for you Brits. And if you don't know how to do that, stop the video and go get acquainted with your Volkswagen. If your latch is broke, check out my other tutorial. Here's the new headlights that are going to go on. Okay, now you're in the bonnet. So we're going to do the driver's side first. Right here behind the battery and the air filter, you can see the headlight housing there. What you're going to do is pull up on this lever, but you have to press in that little button at the same time. So I press the button as you can see. I'm just going to pull up on it. It rotates. Just push it up as far as you can go, and the headlight slides right out. Then you just disconnect all your wiring and stuff, which I'm not going to do any wiring tutorials in this video because I'm not the best with wiring. Most of them should be plug and play. These were aftermarket headlights with running lights, so they've already been wired up, so it should be pretty simple to swap out. Pull the old headlight out, make sure to dispose of it properly. I'll just show you real quick how to disconnect some of it. Right here, there's going to be a little spring holding it in. Just pull it back out of the way. The bulb pops out. Be careful not to touch it. And then got another one in here. You'll do the same thing too. And pull the wire off if you want. Basically just unplug everything. Alright, we have our new headlight in, and I just plug it into there. It's real simple. That other is the wiring for the running lights, which I'm not going to get into. But when you put this light back in, just line up the track right there, this slot, and you'll have one over on the other side. You just line them up, it slides right in. Once you get it in, you just reach in here. Also, there's a little clip there you can unclip. If you need to, it just loosens it up a little bit. Tighten that down. You'll reach up, grab that lever that you had to push up, just pull down on it, and you might want to push in on the headlight while you do it just to make it a little bit easier. We're halfway done. The passenger side is a little bit trickier because there's not as much room, but it's the same idea. You still have the little lever in there and the little button to pull. It's just a little bit tighter. If the headlight cavity is dirty, you can clean it with your favorite kitchen brush. Close the hood, and as the sun goes down, you're ready to hit the streets, the hangouts, or the couch.